Jordan Hanna here from MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing on the flagship for Boston Whaler, the 420 Outrage. This boat was custom ordered and is loaded with options. Right off the transom here, you'll see that this boat's equipped with quad V10 425s. We're getting incredible performance out of it. This boat is over 30,000 pounds and will do about 60 miles an hour. Best driving experience on the water right now is Mercury outboards. They shift smooth, they're very quiet, about half as quiet as the competition. So just incredible engines. You'll see here that we've got a custom engine paint that matches the whole sides, and this boat just turned heads when cruising down the intercoastal. Climb aboard here. You'll see that you've got a huge cockpit here for working a fish, or you can also use as a dance floor. You got padded bolsters all the way around for if you're fishing, but this easily can turn into a super comfortable spot when you're cruising out to the spot or entertaining. You've got two beautiful teak tables that go here. We did equip this with an additional bench seat on the starboard side. Over here, you've got a few different configurations you can get here, but we elected to go with the aquarium live well, which is super neat when you got some bait swimming around in there. You've got tackle drawers, you've got stainless fridge, and then a beautiful summer kitchen prep area where you've got a sink, spot where you can put some paper towels, super convenient when out on the water. Spot you could put bunch of different stuff for rigging your baits, electric grill. Press a button, you've got an electric shade that extends out of the hard top, and then you'll notice you've got the steel blue gel coat underneath the hard top, just a beautiful accent. Port side, you've got a massive dive door, huge hinges, and you really got to feel this thing in person because it feels like a bank vault door, very stable. Got a grab rail here that you could help pull yourself in the boat. Ladder mounts right there. And then this whole area here, you can easily transform into a second row bench seat. Again, this is something you really got to feel in person. It's very sturdy, heavy duty, but because of the stainless gas assist struts, it's very easy to flip up, but is a real heavy piece. When you're sitting in the second row here, you'll notice that it's raised up a little bit more than the helm seats in front of it, so you're not staring directly at the back of somebody's head. You have 6 AC vents, plenty of cup holders here. And again, this is kind of a quick walkthrough. I could spend hours going through all the features on this boat. You'll notice you've got triple 16-inch Simrads here that'll control all your navigation, fish finders, radar. You've got some digital switching that you can control lights, pumps, all kind of things throughout the boat just from the helm here. So super convenient. We've got the high gloss teak package that's on the back of the seats, up at the helm, and you'll notice that little trim pieces throughout the boat that just really give it that luxury look. You've got bow thruster and joystick, so when it comes to maneuvering this boat in tight spaces or docking, it just really gives you full control and takes a lot of the stress out of boating. Built-in autopilot, auto heading, sky hook, just the latest and greatest features here from Mercury. You've got some AC vents at the helm as well. Press a button, you've got a vent that opens up on the windshield, and what you'll notice when you're standing here at the windshield is you have incredible visibility. Whaler does a great job with that. You've got a massive swooping down windshield here, so even when you're getting up on plane, which this boat has very little bow rise if any, you're never losing line of sight. Everything's visible for you. Got a nice tray here. You can throw phone, wallet, keys, different things, charging ports, glove box here and overhead. Just a really great setup here at the helm. So we'll take a quick peek at the cabin, which on this boat is massive. For a 42-foot boat, you're not going to see anything even remotely close to this as far as the size. You've got a full beam cabin, you've got whole side windows. This couch will pull out, make this a little bit bigger area. You've got a table that'll raise up there if you want to have lunch maybe here in the cabin. Microwave, sink, fridge, trash. You got storage all over. Obviously you got a TV mounted, and then check out the head here. Huge space, waterfall shower. Just beautiful luxury appointments on this boat. All right, walking up to the bow here, you'll see that you've got nice grab rails, padded bolsters, storage here, which is a great spot that you could put lines. There's a drain in the bottom to help them dry out. Just easy access. And then up in the bow, it's a huge area for entertaining. You've got a beautiful high gloss teak table. Check out the design in that. This will drop down and turn into a filler cushion, so this is a larger bed area. You've got flip up backrest, port and starboard, so you can comfortably have 5 people fully laying out, feet up while underway. Nice armrest that flip down here. You've got a cooler built in, so you're not running to the back of the boat when you want to grab a drink. One thing I really like about this boat, and I can appreciate what Whaler does, is with this big lounger here, you'll notice how low it is in comparison to your gunnels. So when you're laying down here, you feel a sense of security, like you're not going to fly out of the boat, but you also have great visibility. You're not trying to look over stuff. So it's very well thought out. And again, I'm Jordan Hanna with MarineMax Jupiter. This is definitely a boat that you're going to want to see in person. Please check us out online at MarineMax Jupiter, or you can reach me 561-427-9217. Look forward to hearing from you.